Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off commenting on a post on Instagram. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. So in this video, I am going to show you a few ways to turn off commenting on a post you have already published as well as on a post you are going to publish on Instagram. Now I will show you how to turn off or disable comments when you are going to make a new post on Instagram. So you just have to select the picture that you want to upload and press next, and then here where you write your captions, at the bottom of the page you will get the option advanced settings, and here you will get the option to turn off commenting. Alright, so you can always turn this on whenever you want, and now you can go ahead and create your post. Now if you want to turn off comments for an existing post, what you have to do is you just have to open the post and then tap the three dots icon right here, and here you will get the option to turn off commenting, and as soon as you will press that, you can see that the comment actually disappeared. But don't think that you are gonna lose all your comments. They will just reappear when you will turn on the commenting. So here I am going to turn on the commenting again, and as you can see, the comment just reappeared. Alright, so that's how you can turn off comments for an existing post on Instagram. And now if you will go to settings, you can do a few more things to manage your comments in a better way. So here you have to tap the profile icon, then tap the three lines at the top of the page and go to settings. Now here you have to tap privacy and then tap comments. So as you can see here, you can set some filters for the comments that you receive on your post, so you can always hide offensive comments, and you can also create manual filter, and you can also filter most reported words. Alright, so here in the allow comments from section, you can select what comments you want to allow on your Instagram post. So people you follow and your followers, people you follow and your followers. Alright, so there is no option to completely disable comments on Instagram, but still you can turn off commenting whenever you want. So yeah, I hope you found this information helpful, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel for more such useful and informative videos. You can also share your suggestions for my next videos in the comment section below, and I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.